The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. The unexamined life is not worth living. I cannot teach anybody anything. I can only make them think. There is only one good, knowledge, and one evil, ignorance. Wonder is the beginning of wisdom. Be of good cheer about death, and know this of a truth, that no evil can happen to a good man, either in life or after death. Education is the kindling of a flame, not the filling of a vessel. By all means, marry. If you get a good wife, you'll become happy. If you get a bad one, you'll become a philosopher. He who is not contented with what he has would not be contented with what he would like to have. Be slow to fall into friendship, but when you are in, continue firm and constant. Sometimes you put up walls not to keep people out, but to see who cares enough to break them down. Contentment is natural wealth. Luxury is artificial poverty. Employ your time in improving yourself by other men's writings, so that you shall come easily by what others have labored hard for. Prefer knowledge to wealth, for the one is transitory, the other perpetual. We can easily forgive a child who is afraid of the dark. The real tragedy of life is when men are afraid of light. Life contains but two tragedies. One is not to get your heart's desire. The other is to get it. Envy is the ulcer of the soul. True wisdom comes to each of us when we realize how little we understand about life, ourselves, and the world around us. Once made equal to man, woman becomes his superior. If you want to be a good saddler, saddle the worst horse, for if you can tame one, you can tame all. One should never do wrong in return, nor mistreat any man, no matter how one has been mistreated by him. The easiest and noblest way is not to be crushing others, but to be improving yourselves. The greatest blessing granted to mankind come by way of madness, which is a divine gift. Those who are hardest to love need it the most. The highest realms of thought are impossible to reach without first attaining an understanding of compassion.